What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage. Today we're going to be working on the E36. I wanted to show you something real quick that I purchased the other day. Got this on eBay. That little wind deflector, super cool. On the convertible, it works amazing. I really don't hear any wind noise or like really get my beard blown around or anything like that. So what we're going to work on today though is a little interior mod in the E36. So my E36 is looking pretty dang clean, if I do say so myself. It looks very nice. Got a couple things from Race German to clean up the interior. And you know what? There's another one here today. Check this out, guys. A USB charger, right? So we're actually gonna put that in. I think I'll put it right next to the cigarette lighter. This is gonna give us a super OE look. Look at this thing. Even the texture on this looks OE, just like the texture on the OE stuff right here, which is super cool, you know? I just really want this, just the OEM plus look on the interior of this E36. I also have like a head unit that I'm going to be changing out and doing that sort of stuff, but yeah, it's just kind of cool to get that look down. This is pretty basic. As you can see, it's actually 3D printed. I picked this up from Race German, and then we have this little like thing down here that kind of just goes to the bottom, basically just keeps it in its place. And then it has some taps that we're going to tap off the cigarette lighter. You can see these two right here. Pretty sure those are going to go in the cigarette lighter, and these will go into the OE position right here. So very cool, red and black, right? So it should be pretty simple to install. First thing I'm going to do here is try to get out the OBC. Now you can basically just put your finger up here. There's like a hole underneath. You literally just pull out. It's very straightforward, pretty easy. Then you just have little connectors right back here. These literally just, you push down on that and comes out. Just like how the dash is for like the gauges or whatever. Push down, pull out, color coded. That's how you would grab an OBC from the junkyard as well, I guess. This is really easy because actually just pull up. And once you pull up, you can kind of pull out on the trim just slightly, and boom, look at that. We have this little cigarette lighter piece out. So you can see we have like a little light here. That's for the glow, the street glow, if you will, for the actual thing. I don't know if mine's still good. I feel like mine might be burnt out. I may need to change that out. But okay, so then we just have the two wires here. So what we're gonna do now is install the new piece. So I'll take it from the front. I'm just gonna feed that down there. If you still have the plastic piece on, great. If you don't, you can come get it. In the instructions, they say to just kind of keep this to the little line in the USB to the left-hand side, and kind of the more open side to the right. It really doesn't matter. It's really just your preference, but they're just saying that for continuity. So now you can see, look how clean that is, guys. Look at how clean that is. It looks OE, right? That's very, very cool. So now we just go behind here, and we're just gonna slip on that little piece here. Literally just kind of put it down there, grab our screwdriver, just kind of tighten those up, and we will be pretty much good to go with this installation here. Cool. Yeah, that looks awesome. I really like that. So these things are pretty inexpensive too. And now we can just wire it up with our new plugs here. I want to say that the brown is the ground. Now he made them to where only one size will basically fit. So you can see this one right here. This one's a lot skinnier, so you don't want to use that. You're going to want to use the ground wire, which connects like that. I'll just go ahead and land this back down on the cigarette lighter. That way that thing still works. Cool. That's awesome. And I'm going to pull this one off. And you can see that this one is much narrower, the actual tip itself, so it'll only fit in one way, and it's pretty easy to figure out. So it's pretty well engineered, this whole little thing here. And we can then put that on the cigarette lighter put this light back in. I might need to get a new bulb. I think, yeah, I need a new bulb for that. So I may have to hit up Race German and get one of those. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You just do that, and then we can go ahead and reinstall this. So that looks so freaking good. If you guys want to grab one of these, you can pick one up from Race German. I'll leave a link down below to his website. And look at that, guys. That is such a clean looking interior. I love it. Absolutely love it. So awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Later, and wrench on.